Hello world, welcome back to another picoCTF 2022 write-up video. In this video, we'll be walking through the reverse engineering challenge bloat.py worth 200 points. Let's get into it. Can you get the flag? Run this Python program in the same directory as this encrypted flag. Okay, so I've already downloaded them as you can see here. Let's go ahead and kick this off by running them. Or the script rather on the flag. So we'll do python bloat flag.py and then pass it flag. Okay. Please enter. Okay, another password thing, right? So, all right, password is incorrect. So let's go actually crack this sucker, huh? So opening the source code and okay, so we could go to the trouble of mapping all these array values to what's up here, but let's see if there's a faster way of doing this. Let's try to determine where the user input portion is first, huh? So if we look around, should be an input function. Here we go. So this function right here, arg232, is our input function, I believe. And so now where's that being called? That's being called right here. So what is arg132 then? Okay, so that's actually opening the flag file to read it. Okay, so arg432 is our input and arg444 is our file. Keep that in mind. So arg133 is the function that's actually doing something with our input. So that must be the function that's probably checking our input. And sure enough, it's saying if our input is equal to something, return true, else print this system exit and return false. If you exit here, what's the point of having a return false statement here? That's very suspicious. If we move forward, we see argument 112, and that's printing something out, maybe the flag. And then arg423 equals arg111, passing in arg4. All right. And so that's returning something. Oh, maybe this is actually decoding the flag. Or maybe this is just another maybe there's multiple functions that help decode the flag. Like maybe this one is decoding the flag, and maybe this one is also doing another step in decoding the flag. Regardless, what interests me is this system exit right here, because you have a return false right after this that just never gets hit if this else statement is entered, essentially, right? So if our user input is invalid. So why don't we go ahead and just comment that out? Because maybe if we never exit, it'll just, even if this returns false, maybe it'll just give us the flag anyways. There's no guarantee, but it's worth a shot, and I believe that whatever the case, that'll most certainly help us, because then maybe we can just return true here, and it might be able to give us the flag that way anyways. So let's just see what that gives us. And that doesn't matter. Okay, so just like I thought, that sysexit was literally the only thing preventing us from actually decoding the flag, because there was no other protections in place, even though it does say return false here, which is strange. But regardless, we didn't need to decode all this to understand exactly what was going on. We only needed to get a general idea of what was going on. And we could do that by we know the Python language, or presumably we know the Python language well enough to know, okay, the input function is where we do user input, and we know that where the flag's being read in, and then we know that if we're passing the input to a function, then our input is probably getting checked in that function. So that's pretty much all we needed to know for this one. And that's it. The flag is deobfuscation for the win. Okay, cool. Except we didn't really deobfuscate anything, did we? We only changed one line of the code to get the flag. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comment section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.